Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I am back with my third and final design team project for Craft Supplies for You for the month of February. And I altered this little canvas bag, and it's little but it will hold some goodies for someone at some point. And I used this Paris fabric that was sent to me on the front and the back. That was the first thing I did. And then I added this black fringe trim from KS4U, and I went over the top of that with this Battenberg trim, also from KS4U. This is new in the store. And let's see, then I added this black pearl and sequin applique, which is also from the store. And I went around the top with this black Chinese braid, and then on the handles, and then on the back too, the top back with the black Chinese braid. And then I added this white and black flower from my stash. The black loopy flower is from Craft Supplies for You. And then these little white flowers are also from KS4U, but I added my bling buttons to the middle of those. So that's it. I didn't do a lot to it because it didn't need a lot. I didn't want to cover up the fabric. It's a beautiful fabric. You can see Parisian and the stamp here. So yeah, so I just added a little bling, a little flowers, and some fringe on the bottom. I did go around the front and the back with the fringe just to give it some more, to give it enough body. So there is it's like having two layers of the fringe down there. So yeah, that's it. As always, I'll put the links to the store in the description box, the web store and the Zibbet store. And if you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will be back again soon, hopefully with another project share. So bye for now, everyone.